real special thing about today is it's our 25th class. So since 2013, Tommy and Brian have allowed us to do Tech Builder because they believe that raising growing technicians in-house is better than ever. So this class, 25 Tech Builder, will never be known as Tech Builder 25 because you guys have earned the name like a small little bullet. That's small and mighty, silver bullet.
Well, through my family. I want to thank Barry, good teacher, and had a fun time at Tech Builder, learned a lot of new things, and just happy to be here, ready to get to work.
I want to thank Barry and all the trainers for all the help that you've given me, and Mr. Brian and Mr. Tommy for this great opportunity, and I'm excited to get to work.
So fortunate that I was able to find out about Estes services because I know without a doubt there is no better HVAC company to work for. All of the trainers that I've had have been fantastic. I've learned so much. It's been top notch and I feel well prepared to go into the field and be very successful.
Congratulations, y'all guys. I mean, y'all made a big step. Y'all represent the Estes family when you go out every day, so remember that. And all your actions reflect upon us, the company. Always expect somebody to be watching you, what you're doing. And thank you to the families for